Okay, so today we are going to be working on the Civic, and that Civic is this one here. We put the wheels on last week, got that all taken care of, but this week we are going to be getting the body all finished up and prepped. We have some body filler and stuff we got to sand down and get finalized on there, get it kind of primered all up, and then we are laying some wrap on this bad boy and gonna single out the color, because right now it's got a black primer, it's got a white and silver on the hood, it's got another black over here, silver, black. Somebody was doing some body work on it before. We're gonna finish it up, get everything done. Plus we have the trunk that we're finishing up welding and getting that all taken care of. And then we're gonna be showing you guys our wrap that we got from Vinyl Frog. So let's go get some final supplies from the auto parts store and go from there. Okay, so we have the supplies, $120 later on some body filler and some other stuff to finalize everything on this, but we're gonna take back and get it all finished up and start showing you guys how to wrap some of this. This was my first time wrapping, so we're gonna learn together. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the Civic pulled forward a little bit, kind of give us a little space to work with today. I have to finish getting the badges off the back and start getting everything prepped up. I think the bumper, the hood, and the back quarter is the main thing that we gotta get focused on so that the body filler can start drying, as well as trying to get the welding and everything done on the back trunk. So we're gonna get started now. So one of the first things I'm going to do is, like this EX badge here, we're going to get this off and get this off and get this off so that we can wrap appropriately. This will be a little bit of a challenge trying to wrap around. I'm going to have to figure out how to do what's called an inlay seam, where basically we can kind of seam it across, but we'll see how that works out. Maybe I can flex it enough where if I get it off, I can kind of lay it this way and kind of wrap it up. I don't know yet, but we are going to take probably this piece off. I got to figure out how this comes off. Take the license plate off, take the lights off, and kind of give us a little bit easier workaround. Typically, you don't have to take the lights and stuff off when you wrap a car, but we're going to do that this way just because we want to see how well we can make it and tuck a little bit further back.